This amazing 10 times magnification loupe GEM-246 is a 21mm triplet lens with 6 LED lights and UV lights. This foldaway gem loupe has an Aplanatic and Achromatic optical glass lens that can easily bring fine micro detail into view and inspect large area with no color distortion. It is made of metal aluminum and has a black frame to avoid light reflection towards the object being viewed. To use this gem loupe, just point it to the gem or any tiny details that you want to view. Its compact and design makes the loupe easy to hold while working. Great for jewelers, mechanics, machinists, stamp and coin collectors, arts and crafts, photographers, hobbyists, watchmaker and more. Easy to carry with a small case to protect it. Set includes our 10 times Magnification Jewelry Loupe, protective case, lanyard cord, cleaning cloth, key for screw latch. If you are looking for other gem tools, you can visit our website. We have a variety of gem loupes that you can choose from that will suit to your needs.